Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Get the taste of fast food restaurant at home with our chicken popcorn and cheese sauce recipe. We upload new videos every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. And for the details about the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I will start seasoning the chicken chunks with little amount of sea salt. Then in goes pepper powder. And I will mix it thoroughly and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. For the coating, I am using plain flour, which I am seasoning it with sea salt, pepper powder, garlic powder, and a little amount of dried herbs, for which I am using oregano, rosemary and thyme. Then I'll sprinkle a little amount of chili flakes and the coating is ready. I will dredge the chicken chunks in spiced flour. Then I will dip it in the egg that I've beaten lightly. And then I'll coat it with Pancko Bread crumbs. Then I will allow this prepared popcorn to rest in the fridge for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll start heating the oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, I will start frying the prepared chicken popcorn till they are golden brown in color. These are going to be really crispy and much tastier than your take-away restaurant popcorn. How crispy they are, you can make it out. And I bet no one can resist these little packets of joy. I'll be serving this along with cheese sauce, for which I'll be melting little amount of cream cheese in a saucepan. You can use cheddar cheese. Then I'll be adding little amount of corn flour slurry and cook till the raw smell of corn flour goes away. Then I'll season it with sea salt, a tiny bit of chili flakes and 1 jalapeno which I have chopped. You can add more if you like a little spicier version. I'll give it a mix and cook it for 5 minutes, and the sauce is ready for serving along with our delicious crispy chicken popcorn. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.